expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
צדקת. You were right. צדקת. You were right. I said it in the female form, צדקת. For a male, it would be צדקת. You were right. I knew it. I'm always right. אני מתגעגעת אלייך. I miss you. אני מתגעגעת אלייך. I miss you. This is a really interesting verb, I think, because it doesn't exist in English. In English, you say, I miss you, which is really nice, but in Hebrew, you have a special verb for this feeling of missing someone or something. מתגעגע for a male, מתגעגעת for a female. So I like this one. אני מתגעגעת אלייך. את טבחית מעולה. You're an excellent cook. את טבחית מעולה. You're an excellent cook. For a male, אתה טבח מעולה. את נראית נהדר היום. You look great today. את נראית נהדר היום. You look great today. For a male, אתה נראה נהדר היום. הבאתי לך משהו מיוחד. I brought you something special. הבאתי לך משהו מיוחד. I brought you something special. For a male, הבאתי לך משהו מיוחד. התקציב הוא בלתי מוגבל. The budget is unlimited. התקציב הוא בלתי מוגבל. The budget is unlimited. This goes for all genders. Yay! את המנצחת. You are the winner. Yeah, it's always fun to hear. For a female, it would be את המנצחת. You're the winner. אתה מנצח. You're the winner. I want to thank my parents and everyone that helped me get here. You love me. You really love me. יהיה בונוס בסוף החודש. There'll be a bonus at the end of the month. יהיה בונוס בסוף החודש. There'll be a bonus at the end of the month. Yes. עשית עבודה נהדרת. You did a great job. עשית עבודה נהדרת. You did a great job. It's always fun to hear. For a male, it would be עשית עבודה נהדרת. תודה. לא היינו יכולים לעשות את זה בלעדייך. Thanks. We couldn't have done this without you. תודה. לא יכולנו לעשות את זה בלעדייך. Thanks. We couldn't have done this without you. For a male, בלעדיך. אני לא יכולה להחזיר לך את הכסף היום. I can't pay you back today. אני לא יכולה להחזיר לך את הכסף היום. I can't pay you back today. Fine, pay me back tomorrow, it's all good. אמרתי לך. I told you so. Oh, that's a nasty one. אמרתי לך. I told you so. Hi, Mom. Yeah, you did. אנחנו צריכים לדבר. We need to talk. אנחנו צריכים לדבר. We need to talk. It can never turn out to be, you want something. No. אני רוצה להיפרד. I want to break up. So yeah, what usually follows we should talk is אני רוצה להיפרד. I want to break up. This is a really sad lesson. You know what? It's better for the both of you. את מפוטרת. You're fired. את מפוטרת. You're fired. For a male, it would be אתה מפוטר. Fine, I didn't want this job anyway. Yeah. השמנת לאחרונה? Have you gained weight recently? This is one of the meanest ones. And it's really mean because they never say it in a mean way. השמנת לאחרונה? Have you gained weight lately? Well, maybe I have. And I like it. זו לא את, זה אני. It's not you, it's me. זו לא את, זה אני. It's not you, it's me. It can be nice to hear that. I don't want it to be me, I prefer it to be you. It depends on the context, I guess. סליחה, שכחתי. Sorry, I forgot. סליחה, שכחתי. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot to bring you your stuff. Or I forgot to come today. I forgot to wake up on time. You know who I'm talking about. I used to say it a lot When I was younger, that was like my catchphrase. Oh, sorry, I forgot. תודה על קורות החיים שלך. עם זאת, התפקיד כבר אויש. Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. תודה על קורות החיים שלך. עם זאת, התפקיד כבר אויש. Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. באמת? את נראית הרבה יותר מבוגרת. Really? You look much older. באמת? את נראית הרבה יותר מבוגרת. Really? You look much older. You know what? Even if you think that, don't say it out loud. That's just rude.
אתה נראית טוב. You're handsome. So you can say that to somebody like, not just at a bar, right? Like if your friend got a haircut, or he has a new jacket, or maybe he lost some weight. So you can say, אתה נראית טוב. Like, you look good. אתה חכם. You're smart. So again, this is also something that requires a little bit of knowing the person. This is something I always loved hearing. Like when somebody tells me I'm smart, it's like, yeah, I know. Don't say it if you don't mean it. Okay? People always mean it when they say it to me. אתה חבר מדהים. You're an awesome friend. Again, if a friend did something for you that you really appreciate, and you're like, you didn't expect them to be so good to you, then you say you're an amazing friend, you're an awesome friend. And this is something I think people need to hear more when they're being good to you. They just need that appreciation, like you're such a good friend. אתה יפה מבפנים, אפילו יותר מאשר מבחוץ. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. Now, isn't that a lovely thing to say? Like, yes, you're pretty and you're handsome and, you know, perfect, but like your inside is what matters the most, because outside beauty goes away and your inside beauty doesn't. And when you tell somebody like, I really appreciate the person that you are, I really appreciate your character, and you're even more beautiful on the inside than the outside, and that's like a double compliment, and it's a wonderful thing. קורות החיים שלך מרשימים. Your resume is impressive. Usually you'll hear that like on a job interview, obviously, like your mom won't come over and say like, your resume is impressive. But if you get that on an interview, so that's a really good sign. Unless they say you seem overqualified for the job, which is like, okay. עבודה מצוינת. Great job. That's also like a more of a workspace kind of a compliment that you can get from your boss, or like from a coworker or a colleague, or you can say it to a colleague. Don't say it to your boss. It's like, yeah, great job. It's not something you would say in like your personal life, usually. יש לך טעם טוב. You have good taste. So yeah, like if I'm trying on a coat and somebody just told me that it looks good on me, then I'll be like, yeah, you have good taste, which is a compliment. And also if somebody complimented on something for you and then you say it's a good taste, so it's kind of like a funny thing to say. Like, oh yeah, I'm pretty, I know, you have good taste. החיוך שלך יפה. Your smile is beautiful. So, like, if we're talking about maybe, you know, hitting on people or on guys or girls, whatever, you know, like, this is such a nice thing to say. Like, you have a beautiful smile. It's just external. You still don't know that person, but it's just a lovely thing to say, and it's not offensive, and it's just warm and polite and nice. אתה נראה נפלא. You look gorgeous. So, like, if somebody really put an effort on their looks, and you know they kind of tried and they worked on it, maybe they're going to like a special event, just give them the credit and tell them that they look gorgeous. Tell them, אתה נראה נפלא. אני אוהב את הבישולים שלך. I love your cooking. Now this is a good thing to say, like, I don't know, in my family, if I say that to my mom, she would be like, oh, yay, thank you. My dad doesn't really cook. You know, when you're with family or with friends and having like a nice dinner party, just compliment the food, you know? People put an effort to it. So, thank you so much. These were 10 compliments that you always want to hear in Hebrew. Please tell me in the comments below, what's the most beautiful thing anybody ever said to you? It could be somebody you know and you hold dear, and it could be just, you know, just a stranger telling you something really nice. Please let me know. I think it's like a lovely thing to hear, and I love hearing your stories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash that button. And yeah, see you, bye.